To find heart 7, look at the palm side of your left hand. Notice the crease at the base of your palm. There might be 2 or 3 creases. Select the one that is closest to your palm. Feel along the crease till you reach your pinky finger end. You might feel a little tendon there. It is just on the outside of that tendon. Just like this. Gently press into this area to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is heart 7. Activate heart 7 by gently rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shen, I suggest you use the round end and tap like this. Now find heart 7 on your other hand and repeat.